Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you all are well. I'm here a new video in which I will tell you how to set Facebook camera roll. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook app. Now click on your profiles. Scroll down. If you post any picture, then click on your post. Here click on the photos and video. You can see this issue. If you resolve this issue, then go back, click on gallery options, click on allow access, allow. You can easily reach your gallery. If you don't want to see these options, then long press on the Facebook, click on app info. Now here you can see the permission option, click on it. Now you can see the photos and videos, click on it, allow option. I have already allowed. Click on camera, then click on allow only while using the app. After that, your problem will be resolved. I hope your problem will be resolved. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for a helpful tutorial.